What's going on YouTube? Filming this in the middle of me working on my taillights here. In particular, I had these rugged ridge taillight protectors on my Jeep when I got it, and ever since I installed the my Smittybilt HD rear tire carrier, it does somewhat conflict with the this protector here. Um, I'm playing around with the idea of just removing it. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm filming this in the middle of that. Just want to give you guys maybe a look of it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload it, but if I do upload this, so I think it's worthwhile for you guys to see that the clearance on the hinge does affect the clearance because of this protector here. So I'm gonna go ahead and it's a pretty easy work. It's just it's basically sandwiched together, and their tail light rests inside. So I'm doing what I'm doing right now is once I got it removed and I'm cleaning it right now. It's the housing is just sandwiched together and your tail light sits inside. So I don't think I really need these. So I mean, they do look good, but in terms of functionality with the hinge, I'm just gonna leave them out. Now here's the two tail lights side by side. I guess the other one kind of do look more aggressive, but so I was thinking I kind of like it without, to be honest with you. So that's just good. That's what it looks like. Probably is a good opportunity to actually look at the bracket here that supports the tire carrier and see how it's holding up. Obviously all the bolts are still in, so you can check all the bolts while you're in here, tighten them up, and it looks like everything is still secure. So it's other than the dirt, all the dirt that I collected here from the trips, everything seems to be okay. Alright, so there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and open the tailgate now, see if it still hits, so I can finally open the hinge fully without it hitting the tail light at all, like zero touch, unlike before. So that's it. That's my remedy for that. You just have to remove that mod. Hopefully this was informative. If you happen to have a rugged ridge taillight protector and you're planning to put a tailgate reinforcement, you'll probably run into some issues like the same as I did. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next one.